Hey there, and welcome to Crochet Therapy. I'm Barbara, your host for this episode of Morning Coffee and Crochet. And I want to welcome you on this Friday. TGIF, everybody. Got my coffee, doing my same mug again. So good, so good, so good. I need another one. Oh, yeah. So good. Oh my goodness. What would we do without coffee? I don't know. Anyway, I'm a little tired today. It's been a long week, but it's been a good week. It has not been a bad week. So how has your week been? I'm going to have trouble talking this morning. Sorry about that. But if you can handle me blubbering my way through, then I can handle it too. Oh my gosh. So, oh yeah, it's been a great week. It's been a long week. I'm wearing down a little bit, just a little bit. But tomorrow is Saturday, and I think my sweet sister-in-law is going to come over, and we're going to record an episode of Crochet Chit Chat. Do you remember Tanya? And she came over, and we did the Crochet Chit Chat, and then we made the kitchen cotton sponge, and we made that together. We had a lot of fun. And so tomorrow, I think we're just going to do a little chit chat together. We might work on a project together. Haven't really decided yet. I think I had a little thing we were going to do, but I can't remember what that was. But so it'll be a surprise for me too. It'll be a surprise for you. And so what I'm going to do, if that's okay with you, I'm going to do several crochet chit chats and just, have those in the books. And, my Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is the coffee and crochet. But I do like having chit chats with other makers and other crocheters because it just revs up my energy. It gives me inspiration. It makes me feel like, yeah, I can do this. So I hope that this channel is helping you too to keep your crojo going, to keep your mojo going. At all times I'm going to be real. And so, I apologize if that's hard for people, if I'm having a bad day or dealing with anxiety when I went to Hobby Lobby and whatnot. I got to keep it real. So that's what I'm going to do. Cause it's real life. But anyway, I just can't wait till the weekend because I love my sweet sister-in-law. She is the most wonderful person that could have been brought into my life from marrying my husband. And so I'm just so happy about that. Even though we were friends for 10 years before I even met her brother, I knew in the back of my mind that he existed, but I didn't really even ever meet him or anything. So anyway, it was fate. It was meant to be. So today I want to talk about a book. Bought this book last year, and I really like it. I have not given it enough credit in my crochet life. This is called The Complete Guide to Crochet. Oh, there we go. And it's the second edition. It is just an amazing book because look how thick it is. Let me see how many pages. 272 pages. And this book is big. It's bigger than 11 by 17. Sorry about the glare. It's a real shiny front. So my light is shining off of it. Maybe the inside won't be so much. There's stitches like cotton candy and bobbles and stripes. Let me show you these. Let's see if they will show up. And just, unusual stitches. There are, it talks about color combinations, and there are a lot of patterns in here, like this one for this really cute little vest. There's a man's vest in there. There's a man's sweater in there that is a cable sweater. And I'm telling you, it looks like knit. It's amazing. There are little motifs. There's flowers. There are just so many different stitches. This one is called the 4-color spiral. Just so many different things that, you know, that are, when you look at it, you're like, oh my goodness, how'd they do that? And then they spell it out for you. They give you a chart. If you're a chart reader, I am not quite prolific on charts yet, but I hope to be soon, one day. So I really do like this a lot. Oh gosh, look at this one. It's called Dahlia Petals. This one, Dahlia Petals. See how that just looks so pretty. And honestly, let's see, the Dahlia Petals, it is a 4-row, a 5-row repeat. So it's just a simple 5-row repeat. It looks hard, but we can learn 5 rows and repeat it over and over and over again. I like that. I like it a lot. There's some really unusual stitches in here, you know, not just your normal, you know, moss stitch and all of these other stitches. But at the beginning it does, oh look, this is a bath mat and a colorful stripes bath mat. So they do a lot of things here. Oh my, and there's some yarn on the front that looks just like the yarn that Lori gave me. Oh my, so pretty. The beginning of it talks about details and finishing techniques, doing buttonholes, seams, slip stitch seam, back stitch seam, whip stitch, weave seam, single crochet seam. It tells you how to do pockets and how to put zippers on your crochet. I need that. I've never put a zipper on a crochet before. That's amazing. Game changer. Finishing edges. It just, you know, gives you an idea of some finishing edges. But anyway, it also gives some basics at the beginning, like single crochet through the back loop only. You know, a textured single crochet 3 together. Just, you know, lots of different things like that. Anyway, I really like this book. I don't remember how much I paid for it. However, on the back, now see, it has a yellow sticker on it. Now, and I don't remember if, I think I got this at Joann Fabric. So I'm assuming that this yellow sticker means that it was on sale. The book price was $24.99 US, $27.99 Canadian. So at the time, but it, like I said, it has the sticker, so I know I got it on sale. But this is just a wealth of information, a wealth of stitches, just so much to learn in here. And so I think what I need to do, because I am a YouTube addict, you know that. I have confessed that time and time again. But I think what I'm going to do is go through this book and mark different stitches that I have to try, that I want to create, you know, end products of, like scarves, hats, shawls, even a vest, you know, just different things like that. I want to be able to do that so that I can bring you unique content. I'm really looking forward to August. The end of August is my sweet sister-in-law Tanya's birthday, August 27th. I hope I got that right. I don't know why, but her birthday is hard for me to remember. I have to keep asking my husband. So her birthday is coming up the end of August. And it's not because I don't love her either, because I love her to pieces. But I've already made her birthday present, and I am so excited about it. And I know that you are going to be excited about it too when you see it. It's gorgeous, if I do say so myself. It is practical and beautiful and useful and easy. And I can keep going on and on. But after her birthday, so the beginning of September, I'm going to get together and we're going to do a crochet in. And Lori is going to come, Tanya's going to come. Tanya, you don't know that yet, do you? You don't know. Lori and I talked about it yesterday. We're going to have a crochet in, and we are going to show you. I'm going to show them, and we are going to show you how easy it is to make this item. And I can't even say what it is. I'm so excited. Anyway, sorry for all the mystery. But I'm like looking at it over there, and when Tanya comes over tomorrow, I'm going to have to hide that again. I've kept it hidden, but I brought it out to show Lori because I just had to show somebody how beautiful. I just love it so very much. Anyway, yeah, I just was like, okay, stop looking, Barbara. It's like shiny. It's not shiny. It's just gorgeous. So anyway, this is my Friday Crazy Happy TGIF day. You know, I just want you to, when I show you these books and things, I just want you to feel comfortable grabbing a thick book like this, grabbing a book that has all of this wealth of information, and just like swinging through it, and then just go, bang, that one, butterfly lace. Oh, that's pretty. That would make a very pretty shawl or scarf. It would make a really pretty summer shawl because it's very lacy, and yes, it's really pretty, really pretty. Don't be afraid to try something new. You know, I get stuck in a rut. Let me tell you, I get stuck in a rut, and I do one stitch and I'm comfortable with it, and that's what I do. So unless I watch a YouTube video and then I like, you know, let them hand feed me. But no, I've got to get out of that. I've got to start standing on my own 2 feet. I know how to read a pattern. I know how to figure things out. So I think what I'm going to do is maybe also keep looking at these charts, and I think I'm going to just teach myself how to read a chart, because the directions are above. Oh, this one's pretty, bow ties. The directions are above, and I can figure out, okay, that's a chain. You know, you do have to count when you're looking at, you know, one of these charts. But there's a chain, and then it looks like a single crochet. I'm not sure what that is, so I will figure it out. Looks like a chain 1 up there, and then a single crochet. Yeah, I can figure this out. I can figure the charts out. So anyway, I'm not going to keep you on here while I try to figure out charts, but it's just my next challenge to learn. You know, I feel like, yes, I've been crocheting for over 40 years, but I feel like my education in crochet is so far behind, because yes, I can crochet like a fiend. My stitches are great. My tension is wonderful. Whenever I do you know, a test, I always come out exact for what they want it to be. But you know, learning all of these new things and these new stitches and keeping them in my head, so that if, you know, I grab a skein of yarn and I say, oh, I want to do that butterfly stitch, can I remember how to do it? Oh, I don't know, because I might have to just keep going back. Maybe that's just an age thing. I don't know. But anyway, I'm excited to try something new, and I'm excited to share it with you. So I hope that you hold on, you hang on. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so. I love those likes. They just make me so happy, let me tell you. I am, you know, I try not to get hung up on, you know, how many people hit like, but when somebody does hit like, I just go, oh, they hit like. Oh, good. Okay. That's telling me that I can keep going. You know, I'm just going to keep going, keep talking to you, keep sharing with you. And anyway, so this book was really great. I am going to, again, work on it. I've got a couple more books over there, but not a lot. Oh, I got to dig out my, from the 80s. I have one of those little pattern books that's like 2 cardboards and then maybe 2 pages inside, you know, from like the 80s. And I think it's an Annie's pattern, and it was like bathroom fun or something like that. I don't know. I'm going to have to dig that out and show it to you. That is an oldie but goodie. And I bought that and I never finished it. Never made it. Oh, well. But I did enjoy looking at it. You know, it's like when you buy a cookbook and you buy the cookbook and you read the cookbook, but you don't ever cook the food, but you read it and you're like, oh, yeah, that's delicious. And then you go to the next one. Oh, boy, that's delicious. But you never make the stuff. Well, kind of what I do with crochet patterns. Anyway, okay, enough rambling. I hope that you have a great weekend. Don't forget to come back on Monday. Share me with your friends. If there's ever an episode that just like really, you just really love and you want to share it on Facebook, Instagram, tweet it out, do whatever you can. I would love that. My, like I said, my anniversary on YouTube is coming up August 19th. And I don't know, I'm trying to think of some special way to celebrate my 1-year anniversary on YouTube. But my next big goal is 1,000 subscribers. So anyway, that's the next big goal as far as YouTube goes. You know, they want you to get to 100, then they want you to get to 1,000. So 1,000 is my next goal, and that's a big goal. So I'm going to give myself some grace. But if you could just share and like and subscribe, I would just love that. So anyway, bye guys. Stay safe, be kind, and get hooking.